As you've seen, Yamaha snowmobiles are engineered to the highest standards available with today's technology. Well, so are Yamaha genuine parts. So how do genuine Yamaha oil filters differ from their aftermarket competitors? I'll show you. First off, every Yamaha genuine oil filter is engineered for their durability and high filtration performance with your Yamaha snowmobile and no one else's. Tests are conducted under harsh conditions to check that the oil filter and engine can handle a wide range of usage conditions. Aftermarket companies rely on the original manufacturer to engineer the filter. From there, the aftermarket company will attempt to produce a multi-use copy that tries to come close to the specifications required by our engineers. By them making a multi-use filter, they save on cost while sacrificing oil filter performance, which can and will cause premature wear on your engine. Let's take a closer look at a Yamaha filter compared to an aftermarket. Look at the outer casing. The casing is important in order to contain the high oil pressure during startup. It's imperative that this casing is constructed of high quality metals, so it has what we call a high burst pressure index. Some competitor filters are made of lesser quality metals that have a lower ranking on the index. Let's face it, no one wants to be stranded because of a burst casing on a low quality filter. The second item we should look at is the ring used to seal the filter to your engine. For an example, we will use this Yamaha Apex filter as compared to an aftermarket brand. Aftermarket companies sometimes use a flat sealing ring as shown here. The flat sealing ring does not seal as well as the Yamaha because their surface area is larger. This creates less contact pressure. Less contact pressure can result in an oil leak. The Yamaha filter uses a half-round design sealing ring to ensure precise contact and pressure at all times under all conditions. The sealing ring is then incorporated into the filter design to make sure that it will not move or distort in any way. Next, and perhaps the biggest difference, is the actual filter media. When the filters are cut apart, you will notice a major difference between the genuine Yamaha filter and the aftermarket brands. The performance of this media depends on the size and surface area. An aftermarket brand uses a chemical fiber media, which is constructed in a multifold design to try and create more surface area for filtration. On the other hand, the Yamaha filter uses a molded design. The filter is made with a polyester fiber media mixed with water and accumulated directly on a nylon core to form a three-dimensional molded element. This means that the entire part of the media filters engine oil. By using this type of media, our engineers have designed a filter that increases filtration efficiency and also reduces any pressure loss as the oil passes through the media. As an added benefit of this type of filter construction, it has little waste and CO2 generation while being manufactured, making it eco-friendly as compared to aftermarket brands. The last part of the oil filter that I would like to talk about is the relief valve. The relief valve is designed to open when the oil pressure rises because the filter media has become clogged. During testing of non-Yamaha oil filters, it was found that not all met the relief pressure criteria as designated by our engineers. Some aftermarket filter relief valves would open at too low a pressure, causing unfiltered oil to enter the engine and circulate through vital engine components. Other aftermarket filter relief valves were set too high, causing a lack of oil pressure when the media became clogged. The Yamaha engineers have designed our filters to maintain a stable oil flow if by chance filters became clogged. These are just some of the reasons why Yamaha oil filters stand apart from the aftermarket brands. Your customers will rest easy knowing they have some of the best quality filters on their snowmobiles. Be sure, be confident, and be proud. And use only Yamalube and genuine Yamaha oil filters on every unit you service. You Yamalube,